Hello everyone, I am Anamika Das and today we are going to discuss our first chapter in class 12 mathematics, that is relations and functions. So what is a relation? What is a relation in mathematics? For example, if we write x is greater than y and if x is 3, y is 2, then we know that 3 is greater than 2. For example, 4 is greater than 1. Thus, x is always greater than y. Thus, it is the relation between x and y. Again, for example, a line M is parallel to a line N. That is, the line M and N are parallel to each other, which is the relation between the line M and N. So, in mathematics, a relation R from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is a subset of the Cartesian product AB. Now, what is a Cartesian product? So, Cartesian product is the set denoted by A cross B, that is A cross B, where it is the set A cross B is the set of ordered pair where the first member is the member of A and the second member is the member of B. That is, A cross B is equal to A, B, where A belongs to A and B belongs to B. So here the first member, that is A, is the member of the set A and the second member, that is B, is the member of the set B. So A cross B is the Cartesian product. So if we take an example, that is A is 1 and 2, B is 3 and 4. So what will be the Cartesian product, that is A cross B? A cross B is equal to, that is, the first element will be the member of first element, that is A, is the member of the first set, that is 1, and second member is the member of B, that is 3. Again, A is the member of A, that is 2, and B is the member of B, that is 4. Again, if we take 1 is the member of A, then 1, and B is the member of B, that is 4. Again, if A is the member of A, that is 2, and B is the member of B, that is 4. And if we take B is the member of B, that is 3, because 4 is already written, so it will be 3. So this all this ordered pair represent A cross B, that is the Cartesian product of A cross B. So here are some of the examples of relation from a function from A to B, that is A comma B, where A and B are the ordered pair, where A is the brother of B, and second one is A comma B, where A, B belongs to the Cartesian product A cross B, and age of A is greater than age of B. That is, if A is 40, then B will be 30, 20 or something else less than 40, since A is greater than B. Again, third example is A comma B, where A lives in the same locality as B. Again, we can take many examples of relation, and for example, if we take A comma B, where A is perpendicular to B. Here AB may be a line, that is A is always perpendicular to B. So here all these are the example of relation. So that's all for today. In next class we will discuss types of relation. Thank you, students.